In the verdant town of Spinachville, where the aroma of fresh greens lingered in the air, a hero emerged from the shadows with a tale as epic as the mighty sea. Popeye the sailor, renowned for his brawny arms and insatiable love for spinach, faced a formidable adversary that threatened to cripple even the strongest of sailors: lower back pain. It all began on a stormy night when Olive Oil, the love of Popeye's life, found him clutching his lower back in agony. The once indomitable sailor was reduced to a mere mortal, groaning under the weight of relentless pain. As the tempest raged outside, a tempest of discomfort brewed within Popeye. Driven by a determination as unyielding as the anchor on his bicep, Popeye embarked on a quest to vanquish the treacherous lower back pain that threatened to rob him of his seafaring adventures. He consulted wise old Dr. Spinachbeard, the town's esteemed herbalist, who prescribed a remedy as green as the rolling hills, a diet abundant in a variety of vegetables, especially the magical spinach. Popeye wasted no time in stocking up on crates of fresh spinach from the local market. With each bite, he could feel the power surging through his veins, revitalizing his weary muscles and banishing the pain that had plagued him for far too long. His back straightened, his posture improved, and he felt ready to take on any challenge that came his way. As Popeye continued his spinach-fueled journey, he discovered that the benefits extended far beyond just his back. His energy levels soared, his immune system strengthened, and his overall health improved. He became a beacon of vitality and strength, inspiring others to embrace the power of greens in their own lives. With his newfound vigor, Popeye set sail once again, ready to face the open seas with confidence and resilience. His back pain was a thing of the past, thanks to the healing properties of spinach and the wisdom of Dr. Spinachbeard. As he sailed into the sunset, Popeye knew that he had conquered not only his physical ailment, but also the doubts and limitations that had held him back. Undeterred, Popeye set sail on a culinary adventure, discovering the healing powers of kale, broccoli, and carrots. With each succulent bite, he felt the strength returning to his lower back. The town of Spinachville buzzed with rumors of Popeye's newfound vegetable-infused vigor. The turning point came one day when a gang of brutish pirates, notorious for preying on the weak, decided to plunder Spinachville. The once feeble Popeye, fueled by the transformative power of vegetables, confronted the pirates with an unparalleled strength. His spinach-fueled muscles rippled as he delivered a flurry of punches, sending the pirates fleeing in defeat. The news of Popeye's victory spread far and wide, reaching the ears of Olive Oil, who rushed to his side with tears of joy. Their love, once tested by the cruel grip of lower back pain, emerged victorious, stronger than ever. Popeye, now the vegetable-powered legend of Spinachville, continued to regale the townsfolk with tales of his epic battle against lower back pain. His legacy endured, not only as a sailor with bulging biceps, but as a beacon of inspiration for all who faced the perils of discomfort. And so, in the heart of Spinachville, Popeye's triumph over lower back pain became a timeless epic, a testament to the transformative power of vegetables.